Unlock a world of online income by mastering the art of earning with SproutGigs. First things first, let's get you set up on SproutGigs. Head over to the platform and complete a quick and easy sign-up process. Creating an account is your gateway to a multitude of income-generating opportunities. Once you're logged in, you'll discover a vast array of microjobs, often called gigs, categorized for your convenience. You'll find tasks like social media engagement, data entry, simple web research, transcription, and even creative writing. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to identify the most profitable gigs. Look for tasks that align with your skills and pay well for the time invested. Pay close attention to the detailed task description and any specific requirements. Your SproutGigs profile is your digital handshake. Optimize it by uploading a professional profile picture and crafting a compelling bio that showcases your skills and reliability. A well-crafted profile builds trust and attracts higher-paying opportunities. Now, let's talk about execution for each gig. Deliver high-quality work consistently. This means following instructions precisely, completing tasks promptly, and ensuring accuracy. Think of each completed gig as a stepping stone to building a positive reputation. Successful completion of gigs leads to your hard-earned money. SproutGigs offers various withdrawal methods, so you can easily access your earnings. Keep consistently delivering quality work, and you'll see your SproutGigs income grow. Building a successful freelancing career on SproutGigs is about consistent effort and quality. By strategically choosing gigs, optimizing your profile, and delivering excellent work, you can transform your spare time into a steady stream of online income. Start gigging today and watch your earnings sprout.